Hey guys, John and Jeff here with Best Price Nutrition. Visit the website at BestPriceNutrition.com and make sure if you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell to be notified of all our future videos. We've been pretty active putting them out. We got a ton of new products in, so a lot of new videos coming to you guys as well. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at another product from Gorilla Mode, the brand of YouTuber and fitness influencer Derek of More Plates, More Dates. And this is his mass gainer, Gorilla Mode mass gainer.
It is a big mass gainer. Yeah, this is, it's, what is it? 1,040 calories.
If you notice, it seems like back in the day, mass gainers were popular. They kind of fell out of popularity for a while, and they seem to be making a comeback. It's we brought in a lot of new mass gainers from Nutrex, Rule One. Everyone's putting out mass gainers now.
Yeah, it's. I think especially the protein quality has gotten better in a lot of these, and they're using a lot of stuff like whole foods and other things. So
I think they're a lot easier digesting too, which a lot of people thought the old ones would sit in your stomach real heavy.
Yeah, and it's just. I don't know if it's tied into, people working more or whatever and not getting enough food in their diet, and maybe they're going to a protein shake, but they need even more calories to hit their fitness goals. So, so these do have their place, definitely. So we're going to kind of go through this. Again, mass gainer, if you are a kind of a hard gainer or you're not getting enough food during the day, these can help you get that quick, instant amount of calories that you need. The one thing that we always mention is a mass gainer should not be a meal replacement. The goal here is to gain mass and to gain weight. So what I tell people is, if you're, depending on how you're dosing this, eat a meal, and then take the shake. Don't take the shake first, because then you're not going to be hungry.
If you're swapping this out for a meal, you're not going to gain any weight. You're at a wash. No. And the other thing, mass gainers typically don't have all the vitamins and minerals that meal replacement shakes do, since they're actually meant to replace a meal. If you are looking for a meal replacement, High Tech's Ideal Meal is a good one. I think we might have a couple others on there too.
So the serving size here is 4 scoops, and it comes out to be 10 servings. Now the 4 scoops are 1,000 calories. So you may want to, I'm not saying that you should put that into one cup and try to shake that up.
When you and so that's going to be their hard gainer dosage. Okay. You can also take this as a 2 scoop, and that's just going to have 520 calories.
That's what I would probably recommend starting with. But yeah, so we're going to go based on, if you're taking a full 4 scoops, you're getting 1,040 calories, 6 grams of fat, 175 grams of carbohydrates, only 10 grams of those being sugars. So that's a lot of carbs.
Yeah.
So, which is great for muscle growth, I'm telling you. Protein, 70 grams.
This one's got 74.
That one's got 74. And I think, we're splitting, or we're going ahead here, but the 70 to 75 grams is probably targeted there because of their Velestritol muscle growth activator. And what we've learned about that is, it's a chromium. Go ahead.
Yeah, but when combined with the whey protein, it's going to accelerate muscle protein synthesis.
Yes. Increase protein synthesis. So it's going to help you grow more muscle, which is great. I've never heard of this ingredient.
I wasn't familiar with that one as well.
Yeah, but they push it, and there's some studies behind it. So it's definitely an advantage to having that along with the 70 to 75 grams of protein.
And when you look at the label, it's like a pretty clean label. The oat bran fiber, canola flour, sweet potato powder, whey protein isolate. They talk about how this is predominantly whey protein isolate with no casein, no milk protein, no collagen or amino spiking.
Yeah, and the cookies and cream, it says it actually has cookie pieces inside. I'm not sure about the chocolate peanut butter.
I don't know if
I think it was on the label here. This one, it says right after the whey protein isolate and concentrate, you got cookie pieces. Which is
so we don't have any pieces here, but chocolate peanut butter, you can't go wrong with that flavor.
Exactly. So pretty easy ingredient profile, guys. Again, I think the advantages to this one are the Velestritol compound in here, and it just being they're known for having really good, clean ingredients. So
Yeah, but that's one of the things they really market. They say not like drinking liquid cement. So
Okay.
if you've tried mass gainers in the past and were kind of turned off about how they sit in your stomach, give this one a try.
Okay. And it's available at Best Price Nutrition right now.
Link to it down below.
All right. If you got any questions about this product, post them down below. We'd be happy to answer those questions for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Lastly, if you'd like more videos like this on reviews of products, hit that subscription button and you'll be notified of every new video that we do. Thanks for watching.